Hi, in this video I will show you how to edit sunset filter using Lightroom Mobile. Here are example photo before and after using this filter. Let's get started. Go to Light. Adjust the contrast to +9. Whites to +9. Blacks to -15. Go to Curve. Follow these steps. Done. Go to Color. Vibrance to +47. Saturation to -31. Go to Color Mix. First go to Color Red. Saturation to +16. Go to Orange. Saturation to -13. Luminance to +17. Go to Cyan. Saturation to +16. Go to Blue. Saturation to +28. Luminance to +19. Go to Violet. Saturation to +13. Go to Magenta. Saturation to -20. Done. Next go to Effects. Go to Split Tone. Balance to +50. And done. Now let's try to copy this preset to another photo. Copy settings. Paste settings. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more videos.